Good day, we are Group 8 and I am Miss Son Juan and I am with Miss Kabangunay, Miss Dadivas, and Miss Marcaida. So first, we're going to talk about the difference of cognitive psychology then and now. So first, let's define what is cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology is a psychology studies and our mental processes or cognition. These mental processes that cognitive psychologists focus on include memory, perception, thinking, and language. So next, let's proceed to the history of cognitive psychology. Based on this, Simon and Newell creates a computer that could solve a mathematical proof in 1955. Cognitive psychologists were ecstatic on the prospect of computers simulating human thought and operating under the same law and procedure as the human mind. Cognitive psychology has enjoyed a rebirth by the 1960s, and cognitive Ulrich Nelser wrote Psychology, which systematized the subject and was published in America in 1967.
Ang science of behavior daw po ay molecular sa focus on mental processes, which is how our mind works, and it is also how we think things. And sa pag-usbong ng neuroscience and computer science, it supported the transition po. The kinalaunan ng cognitive revolution took hold, and the people came to realize that the cognition was important, na na-appreciate natin at na uunawaan ang ating behavior, because it is a part of mental processes on how we behave on things. It reflects on the inside of our mind. Next is ang behavior daw po. Ang behaviorism emphasis on objectivity and focus on external behavior. Ang behavior po ng isang tao ay ang behaviorism po ay nakapokus lamang sa external behavior ng isang tao na hindi binigyan tuon ng mga psychologists sa sobrang tagal ng panahon. And ang mga humanistic psychologists po ay bumalik ng atensyon na ang isang individual na tao ay conscious and self-aware being, meaning they know what they are doing and they know because we are human. Alam natin ang ating ginagawa.
So, dumako naman tayo sa modern cognitive psychology. According to the American Psychological Association or APA, cognitive. So, dito, maraming application ang sinagawa, like providing help coping with memory disorders, increasing decision-making accuracy. So, there are 7 major perspectives of modern psychology. These are the psychodynamic, behavioral, cognitive, biological, cross-cultural, evolutionary, and humanistic. Though the first one is psychodynamic perspective, is to see human functioning based upon the interaction. Ito yung pagkilos o paggalaw ng tao kung paano siya makikipag-interaction gamit ang kanyang sariling pag-iisip. Next one is behavioral perspective. So, sabi dito, yung basihan ng pag-uugali ay nakatuon din sa kapaligiran, which is tama naman kasi mabilis naman tayo nakaka-adapt ng mga bagay-bagay o mga naririnig natin. So, third one is cognitive perspective, is the study of mind and how people think. Dito, pinagbabasihan ng takbo ng utak ng isang tao sa pamamagitan ng pagtingin o pagbasa nito.
Biological perspective is the way of looking at psychological issue by studying the physical basis of animals and human behavior. Is the one of the major perspective in psychology and involves such things as studying the brain, immune system, nervous system, and genetics. The cultural cross perspective needs to integrate into center materials of the project. Evolutionary perspective is consummate example of success ongoing scientific. Humanistic perspective is argued that what ultimate drives human behavior as individual choice. All of humans' natural strive to grow, develop, and